Welcome to Daily Briefcase, where we unpack today's market moves in plain terms so you can carry clarity with you. It's the morning of Tuesday, August 12, 2025. While major indexes look calm, under the surface, several companies are moving sharply. Let's open the briefcase. BigBear.ai, AI meets government contracts. Who they are? BigBear.ai is a US-based company that builds AI-powered decision support tools for national security, defense, and critical infrastructure. BigBear.ai creates tools like Edge AI, computer vision, and digital twins for government and other agencies to watch real-world situations through cameras and sensors, simulate them in a digital model, and make quick, informed decisions based on AI analysis. What happened today? The stock dropped roughly 24 to 29% after the firm posted weaker than expected Q2 results, 18% lower year-over-year revenue of $32.5 million, well below forecasts, and a revised full-year revenue outlook of $125 to $140 million, down from the prior $160 to $180 million. The company also withdrew its profit guidance due to uncertainty around federal contracts, especially with the U.S. Army. Why it matters. BigBear.ai shows how volatile the AI space can be, especially when tied to unpredictable government spending. Missing targets here strikes a nervous chord for investors who already expect rapid growth. Cardinal Health, healthcare's bold move. Who they are? Cardinal Health is a major distributor of healthcare products and services across hospitals, pharmacies, and clinics, a backbone in the medical supply chain. What happened today? Their stock dropped about 11% after reporting mixed Q4 results, solid revenue, but weaker margins, and announcing a $1.9 billion acquisition of Solaris Health. The purchase could boost long-term earnings, but right now, the market sees it as a high-stakes bet. Integrating such a large operation carries risks, and until results materialize, investor caution reigns. Tesla. Tesla is a leader in electric vehicles, energy storage, and renewable energy products. What happened today? Shares rose about 0.3%, marking its fifth straight gain. Despite being down approximately 16% year-to-date, Tesla is up approximately 72% over the last 12 months. Tesla's recent stock gains can be attributed to three key factors. 1. Elon Musk's public dispute with Apple. Elon Musk has openly criticized Apple's rules for its App Store, especially the fees and restrictions for apps. This public disagreement keeps Musk and Tesla in the news, which can energize investors who follow him closely. 2. Shareholders approving a large CEO pay package. Tesla's shareholders recently approved a sizable pay package for Musk. This is often seen as a sign that investors have confidence in his leadership and vision, which tends to boost the stock. 3. A seasonal boost in electric vehicle demand. Buyers are rushing to purchase electric vehicles before federal tax credits change or expire later this year. This surge in demand can lift Tesla's sales and, in turn, its stock price. Together, these factors help explain why Tesla's shares have been climbing steadily, even amid broader market uncertainty. Why it matters? Tesla's gains reflect renewed investor faith. But the company still faces intense competition and uncertainty, so while the rally feels optimistic, the road ahead remains bumpy. AST SpaceMobile. Phones from space. AST SpaceMobile is a Texas-based satellite designer building SpaceMobile, a space-based cellular broadband network that lets ordinary smartphones connect directly to satellites with no extra hardware required. Why connect your phone directly to a satellite? Most of us rely on cell towers to make calls, send texts, and use the internet on our phones. But those towers only work where people live or travel often. Cities, towns, highways. What about the rest of the world? That's where companies like AST SpaceMobile come in. They're building a network of satellites in space that can connect your regular smartphone directly, no special satellite phone needed. Why does this matter? 1. Coverage everywhere. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, sailing across the ocean, or in a remote village without cell towers, your phone can still connect to the satellite network. 2. No extra gear. Unlike traditional satellite phones that are bulky and expensive, this works with the phone in your pocket today. 3. Emergency reliability. When disasters knock out cell towers, satellite connections keep you connected for help and information. 4. Global travel made easy. Pilots, sailors, and adventurers can stay in touch anywhere on Earth without losing service or facing expensive roaming fees. In short, direct satellite-to-phone connections promise to bring mobile coverage to every corner of the globe, making communication more reliable, safe, and accessible for everyone. Their Bluebird satellites are some of the largest telecom arrays in low Earth orbit. AST SpaceMobile is partnered with major operators and investors like AT&T, Google, and Verizon. What happened today is AST stock surged approximately 20% after confirming it is fully funded to deploy 45 to 60 satellites by 2026. AST is aiming for intermittent US service by late 2025 and expansion into the UK, Japan, and Canada by early 2026. If they succeed, they could bring internet coverage to remote areas worldwide. But technical complexity, massive costs, and stiff competition from SpaceX and others pose real challenges. On Holding AG, Swiss performance meets growth. Who they are? On Holding AG, often just On, is a Swiss maker of performance running shoes and sportswear known for its patented cushioning system called CloudTech. Founded in 2010, the brand boasts strong performance in Europe and the US, and reported to 0.3 billion Swiss francs in sales in 2024, a 29% increase over the prior year. What happened today is shares jumped approximately 11% following strong earnings and 38% growth in sales. On's growth signals that consumers are hungry for innovative, high-quality sports gear. The company's technical edge in footwear keeps investor confidence high, and its appeal shows in both performance and style. Market in context, calm at the top, movement below, major indexes barely budged. S&P 500 futures were down 0.05%, the Dow slipped 0.02%, and the VIX rose approximately 1.2%, suggesting mild caution overall. But beneath the surface, volatility is real, driven by earnings surprises, M&A chatter, growth stories, and long-term strategy baits. Why it matters in a nutshell, today's moves show that while the market as a whole may appear flat, the real activity is in the details. AI firms navigating federal budgets, healthcare giants swinging big, satellite networks breaking barriers, and athletic brands sprinting ahead. And that's your daily briefcase for the morning of Tuesday, August 12, 2025. Clear, concise, and ready to go. Check back for your next market insights.